Alright, so in this video we are going to see how to save the project, how to import or export the project. Suppose you have made this project, right? Now you want to save that. So generally what we do is we go to File and we go to Save As. But if you see here, there's no location given. You cannot save this project on your desktop or in any of the drive. Okay, it will save it itself in the SCADA stream. Suppose if I write analog project 2, right? This is the name I've given. It says there's no letter number. These are some recommendation for that. So you can save it as with underscore project AC module. All right. So this will be saved itself in the SCADA default directories. If I go to open, I cannot again access the location. I have to select from these projects, right? So if I go back to this project again, now the case is I want to email this project to one of my friend or to anywhere else. So in that case you have to go to File and go to Export. Okay, so when you click on Export, you can select all the files which you want to export. Then click Export. Then it will show you the location where you want to save the project. So I can go to Desktop and I can rename that to anything which I want and click Save. So in this case it will save all the files on your desktop with the name given. Alright, this is how we can save that in the SCADA stream. Generally it is not by save or save as, it is by export. Now if someone else send you this project and you want to open that, there is no option for open. Okay, if you click on open again, you'll find this window here. You cannot locate that. So in that case you will click on File and Import. So when you click on Import, you can select your file which you have saved in your drive or anywhere else and click on that and then click open. Then it will import that files and save that in your current window screen. So this is the imported project. So that's how you can save, import and export your projects in Ignition SCADA. I hope that makes sense. If you get any doubt, you can post me a comment. Thank you.